I recharge by sleep, 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 sleep.
I went from 4 to 5 hours sleep to 7 to 8 hours sleep, and that transformed my life truly. Now, of course, we have conclusive scientific findings that sleep is really a miracle drug, improves our health and strengthens our immune system, improves our mental clarity, and makes us more joyful in our daily lives.
I try and sleep as regularly as I can at the same time every day, thanks to Arianna Huffington and her tips. And most importantly, I try my level best, given my hectic schedule, to get at least 8 hours of sleep.
So I think 8 hours of sleep is really important, because unless and until I wake up after 8 hours of sleep, I feel like a person who's on maybe 60% battery or 70% battery.
I recommend that we start simply by adding 30 minutes to how much sleep we are getting, and having some rituals, a little transition period. Could be just 10 minutes between our day life and actually going to sleep is incredibly helpful.
The last thing I normally do is read a book before I sleep, and I try and target 8 hours of sleep, and I then end up with something like 7.5.
My bedroom is a device-free zone. I don't take my smartphones to bed. I don't even take my Kindle or my iPad to bed. I just read real books.
The last thing I do before I sleep is I turn off my phone at least 1 hour before I sleep, and I get some reading done, and then I fall asleep.
I have a very clear policy on smartphone usage. Every day at 8:30 p.m. I put my data off, and I think with data off, half the trouble is over, because the phone isn't as exciting without data.
My ritual before bed is thank you, God.
Hi guys, this is Milind, Deora.
My name is Panag, and this is
How I thrive.
I try.
I thrive.